Okay, now there is another way that you can animate these pictures. It's a little bit more involved and takes a bit of work. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to one dog, and we might leave that script the way it is, and we'll just see how we go. So we've got one dog, and we're going to, that's sort of going to be the master picture. You'll see what's going on here in a minute. We're going to duplicate, and when we duplicate we get another dog, and we also get the script. So we're going to do we'll do maybe, let's try those. So 2, 3 and 4. Now Hector's our master picture, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide that one because I don't want to lose it, but I don't want to see it either. Okay, so right now we've got one dog. We've actually got 3 coming at us at once, believe it or not. So that one, and that one. But what we do is with this one, we're going to call that eyes. And that costume, we're going to get rid of everything except the eyes. Alright, this one we're going to call the tail. And get rid of everything except the tail. We'll duplicate because we're going to do a few more. So we've got the eyes, the tail. This one we'll call the feet. And we'll get rid of everything except the feet. And we've got eyes, tail, feet. Let's duplicate again. This one we'll do the ears. And we'll get rid of everything except the ears. And we'll duplicate again. So we've got eyes, tail, feet, ears. We need to do this one. We'll do, we might leave the nose, the head and the body as a single one, but you can play with later. So we'll get rid of the eyes. We'll keep the head. We might just call that one the head. So these can all go. We haven't done anything with the nose, but we'll just call that one the head. Okay, so this one's the head. Alright, so what have we got? Eyes, tail, feet, ears and head. And the only other one that we've got now is the body, so that's just the back bit, so we'll keep just the body. Now let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see, interesting. And the reason for that is we've got all the bits, but they're in a different order, so the script has to do some, you've got to play a little bit with the script. So this one you need to, as you can see, you've got to move it back maybe 3 layers. We're getting there. Let's try this one. Yep, I think we've got a dog. So the dog's now made up of bits, and the important thing is the way that you went about it, because it puts everything, it keeps everything in the same spot. So you don't want to play too hard with it. Now, so what? Well, we could work on the eyes costume, and we could duplicate the eyes like so. Alright, let's stop it. And maybe this one we could put an eye over there like that, and this one, let's see what's going on here. It's a bit slow. Very slow. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, now let's run it and see what happens. See? And with the tail, we could get the tail and duplicate it and stick it on the other side by doing that. And we may have to play a little bit with it. So let's see what we've got here. Yes. See how the tail's wagging? So that tail's fine. This tail needs to be moved a bit. So we'll just take it across a little bit. See how that looks. That's better. So now we've got a dog wagging its tail. And we'll just do the feet for now. Duplicate. Let's stop it. And I think flicking this over will probably be the fastest way to fix it. Yep. Okay, so separate animations. The head, you can play with the head. This one's the body. And you can just keep playing with it and get all sorts of things happening with the separate parts of the animation.